This week at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Chevrolet Camaro, a V6, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from this vehicle. First up, let's take a look at the cabin air filter. Reach under the glove box to begin. Remove two 7mm bolts from the bottom of the glove box. Then, disengage two pins from the bottom of the glove box. You'll have to pry them out to remove them. Pull the glove box away from the vehicle. You can disengage the side cable if you need to. Reach in for the cabin air filter access cover. Pinch the tabs and remove the cover. There's your air filter. You can pull it out. Next, we're going to show you how to take out the parking light bulb. Turn the wheel for better access. Remove four T15 Torx bolts from the wheel well lining. Pull the lining back. You can reach in for the bulb assembly. Here's the bulb assembly. Turn it and pull it out. Here's the parking light bulb. Pull it straight out to remove it. Finally, let's show you how to change this side tail light bulb in the back. Reach into the wheel well lining. Remove two T15 Torx bolts. Use a very small ratchet to do so, otherwise you'll have to take off this tire. Once the bolts are removed, pry back the wheel well lining. Reach in for the bulb assembly. Turn the assembly and pull it out. Here's your bulb. Pull it straight out to remove it. If you want more car repair videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more full repair videos and more in-depth repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.